Still in the midst of shooting episode 3. Right now I'm working on the wings here and here, and Larry's working on that wing up there, and then we're going to do that one later, probably together. Today's news that is fit to print, or at least I got notification that my Air Max fan, or Maxx Airfan, I think Maxx Airfan is actually here. It's actually in New Florence. It's being delivered today. So that fan will go right there. Gonna have to frame it up and then cut a hole in my van. Oh my God. I'm tripping about it, and I hope I don't screw it up, but let's see how that rolls. So that is the major thing that is happening today, aside from working on the van or working on the build today. So the next episode after this is working on the electrical subsystem, and that's basically just wiring things up so that when I do the install of the fan, I can just plug it in and bing, bing, boom, we're good to go. We're thinking about slightly ordering slightly doing things out of sequence, but I think that's probably best. So it's a question of, at this point, of shooting. Do I shoot the fan episode first, or do I shoot the electrical subsystem first? Because you need one to do the other, but you don't need one to do the first. You don't need the fan in order to shoot the electrical subsystem, but you do need the electrical subsystem in place to shoot the fan episode. So we'll see what happens. That is all the news that is fit to print today. Just a quick little side note. I just want to do a little shout out to a couple of you. Thank you very much for your support and keeping your support levels at what they are. Basically, I need that to last for another couple of months, and I know that's probably not what you want to hear, but I got no money at this point. So this, when this puppy leaves here in a few weeks, then the only money that I will have coming in is Patreon. So if you can keep your support levels where they're at, that'll help me out immensely. Or if you want to raise them up, please, that'll help. But that'll definitely help things out a little bit. I'm trying to up my support mechanisms as much as I possibly can. I'm reaching out for sponsorship deals left, right, and center to offset the costs of the electrical subsystem, the appliances. I'm reaching out to everybody that I can think of, and then some, to get sponsorship deals. So if you can hook a brother up, it'd be great. Other than that, thanks a bunch, folks. I know it's a lot, but I'm working it. I'm working the problem. I hope you all are having a fabulous day, and I look forward to seeing you somewhere on the road. Bye.